Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe an indoor game you enjoy playing. You should say what the game is, how you learn to play it, and explain why you enjoy playing this game.
Sure, I'd be happy to describe an indoor game I enjoy playing. One of my favorite indoor games is called Ludo. It's a board game that can be played by 2 to 4 players, and the objective is to be the first player to move all of their tokens from the start to the finish. I first learned how to play Ludo when I was a child. My parents had a Ludo board game at home, and they would play it with me and my siblings. Over time, I became better at the game and began to enjoy it more and more. There are several reasons why I enjoy playing Ludo. Firstly, it's a great way to spend time with family and friends. Ludo is a social game that can be played by people of all ages, and it's a fun way to bond with loved ones. Secondly, I enjoy the strategy aspect of the game. Trying to strategically move my tokens to avoid getting captured by opponents and to reach the finish line first is a fun challenge that keeps me engaged throughout the game. Lastly, I enjoy playing Ludo because it's a relaxing and entertaining activity that can be played indoors, which makes it perfect for rainy days or lazy afternoons at home. Overall, Ludo is a game that I always enjoy playing, whether I'm playing with friends or just practicing on my own. It's a great way to spend time with loved ones, exercise my brain, and have fun. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.